Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Hello kids! At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Circle shape. Here, we draw the chimney of the house. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. Yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Now, we use green color to color the bottom of the house. We use blue color to color the door of the house. We use pink color to color the window. Green color. Purple color. Yellow color. Blue color. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.